help of my bot for trading, you can improve your life for the better in a few days. If you are interested,
What is AI trading? And does it really work?
Wait! Before we start this video, make sure you like this video. Your support motivates me to create more videos for you. So smash that like button fast and
It's important to understand that trading carries risks and may lead to financial losses. This video is not a promotion of financial services and does not contain investment advice. Let's start trading.
First, open our bot and click on Binary Trading button. Now select Market Type. And using OTC and Live Market both, let's start with OTC Market. Click on OTC Market. By the way, guys, this bot full use A to Z tutorial video already. I posted on channel. I also put this tutorial video link on description and make a comment on this video, which county you live in. Now back to bot. Choose pocket option OTC. Pick a pair to analyses, any pair with good market percentage. Now select your trading time. I choose 1 minute. Boom. Now Supreme Pro AI analyzing that pair. Boom, bot. Now give me signal with trade entry direction and trade execute time also. Now, let me open pocket option broker and enter my trade according the execute time. Successfully trade non-martingale short shot profit.
Try it yourself. This bot is free and available to everyone on any device. Follow the link on the screen or in the description to get it.
Let's take more trade. Enjoy full video guys bot and our trading community. Join link in bio and also put in comment box.
Hey, I'm FX Shakib Sheikh. Join my Telegram community. The link is in my bio. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.